Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove, and today I'm here with Valerie, and we are going to be tasting an ice cream mango. Ice cream mango is one of those that mango connoisseurs, a lot of them, it's their absolute favorite. I have only ever had one good ice cream mango off of my trees. It's a little bit hard to grow. The tree itself it's a little kind of a semi-dwarf tree, and it's very, very susceptible to anthracnose. It gets brown leaf tips like very easily. It usually doesn't produce a whole lot of fruit either. So it's kind of, if you only have room for one mango, this probably isn't going to be the one you want to grow. However, it doesn't have an excellent, the best way to describe the flavor, well, I'll wait and I'll just see how this one is. And I'll describe its flavor. It's got a resinous smell to it.
Is good or bad?
On this one, it's actually this is not a dessert mango. This is a complex spicy mango, and it's kind of more of a grown-up taste to it. It's not just as sweet. It's a lot of the Indian mangoes are like that. It's about complex flavors. So let's see what this one tastes like. Yep, this one's very nicely ripe.
Yeah. Really easy to cut through.
Okay. Here we go. Let's try this one up.
It has like a middle, perfume taste.
First of all, it just absolutely, this thing, it just melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
It's like dissolving on your tongue almost.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe this flavor. There's so many things going on. There's a little bit of like a maybe a lemony type flavor. It's
maybe a bit of like rose, maybe.
There's definitely some floral tones.
Yeah.
There's definitely some perfuminess to it.
Yeah.
Almost kind of like a cardamom type flavor to it. It's just hard to explain. It's very good. It's a very complex flavor. But a good balance between the resinous and the perfumey and the spicy and the sweet.
Creamy.
Creamy. No tartness at all. Zero tartness. And although it's sweet, it's not... It's very sweet. I can taste the sweet even after I've swallowed. The aftertaste is even sweet. But just a lot of just good complex flavors. It's kind of hard to... I could probably sit here and keep eating it and thinking and come up with about 20 different things that I could identify.
So it's a really good mango.
Yeah, it's strange. It's hard to describe, but you can see why. I can definitely see why people who have eaten a lot of mangoes that all kind of start kind of tasting the same. This one, it's very unique.
Yeah.
I can't believe how creamy it is either.
I know, it just melts.
You don't bite it. You squish your tongue against the roof of your mouth, and it just spills out.
I don't think we've had mango that creamy before. Maybe once or twice.
It may be slightly overripe too. I don't know. Maybe by just a tiny bit. But just so many good, smooth, complementing
elements,
flavors in that. That's very good. What did you didn't like it, Celeste?
It was good. I personally prefer Painter's Bombay mango to that, but I thought I would like group it with that
Yeah.
same mango.
Yeah, spicy.
Yeah, or even like a little bit dwarf Hawaiian. Like it's more complex than that even, but.
I'm very sticky. Anyway, that's definitely a good mango. I would put that at a 8.5, maybe 8.5 to 9. This one might have been a day overripe.
Yeah, I might agree with that possibly, but it's hard to tell.
Punch flavors,
Yeah.
spicy cookie flavors, like a not ginger, but other cardamom maybe kind of flavors in there. But very good. So again, the tree is finicky. It's I mean, it's certainly not impossible to grow, but it's gonna, if you're gonna plant one of these, don't plant it tight in with other trees. Give it some air space around it. Good airflow will help with the anthracnose. And I've not seen ones that were heavy producers, but you know, it does mean that they won't for you sometimes. So anyway, that's it. That's the ice cream, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.